Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today we're going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of April. I always forget what month it is when I do these videos, but Boxycharm is 25, somewhere around there. It started out 21, I don't know what it is anymore. $21 to $25 a month, and you get 4 to 5 full-size to deluxe-size products, and every month it comes to your house, and it looks like this, and I'm super excited. So let's go ahead and take the card out. It looks like this. Super cute. What is the theme? Oh, festival vibes right there. So that's fun. And then you do get the description of every product, which we're gonna wait on. So just diving right in, the first thing I see is this, which I'm not excited for because it's not cruelty free, but this is by Benefit. This is the Professional Hydrating Primer. Before I went cruelty free, I used to adore the original one of these. It was so good. It was my favorite primer. So when I went cruelty free, I was very sad to give this up, but I've never tried the hydrating one. I'll open it and show you what it looks like, but we're not gonna like swatch it or anything just because there's no point. But that's super cute packaging, and if it was cruelty free, I'd be pumped, but it's not. This retails for $32. So with that product alone, you've already more than paid for the box, which is awesome. Okay, next thing in here are these. I think these are lashes. Yeah, Baddington lashes. I've gotten Baddington before. I have not actually tried them. You do get a little lash glue with them, which is nice. And these are a really pretty style. What are the style of these? Harlow? What are the ones that I have? I don't even know where they would be. Right here. The ones I already have are called Monroe. So let's see the difference here. Can't open. Okay. So there's the difference. These are the Monroe ones, and these are the Harlow ones. The Harlow ones are just like more va-va-voom in your face kind of thing. But I've had this for a while. I haven't used them yet just because I don't wear lashes super often, but these are really, really pretty. These retail for $31. So, and they are cruelty free. I do know that because I've looked it up before, but really, really pretty. If you're somebody who wears lashes a lot, you'll love those. Ooh, Iconic London. These are the Illuminator drops in the shade Original. $41. Gross. This is like a liquid highlight, I would assume. Yeah, ooh. My dropper looks like it's been through some stuff. It's like slanted, that's weird. I don't know if that's normal or not. Ooh, that's pretty. So it's just like a liquid, oh my goodness, illuminator. I'm assuming you could wear this like under foundation, which is probably how I'll do it. Oh my goodness. Has a weird smell to it. That's really pretty. I would wear this under my foundation, but I would assume you can also probably put it on targeted areas. Oh, I'm down for that though. How many products have we? Yeah, we've already done 3. Weird. We are just blowing through this one. This is cute. This is by Lavish. This is just a little 2-for-5 piece brush set. They look like all eye brushes. Retails for $29.99. A must-have all-in-one cruelty-free makeup brush collection that includes essential eye brushes you'll need to achieve an everyday or more dramatic look. That's awesome. So fluffy brushes are my favorite. Feels really nice. They don't smell weird or anything. They're really pretty colors. You get like a hot pink one for a fluffy brush. You get a blue one. This is an eye shading. This is what I would use to kind of like put all over the lid, pack out in color. Really, really pretty. You get a liner brush in neon yellow. Ooh, fine liner is what it's called. That's really pretty. That one's a little stiff, but that's good because you want your eyeliners to be a little more stiff. You get my favorite of the lot because of the color, a neon green angled brush. This is a brow brush. So you got a spoolie on one side and then a other brush on the other side. And then you get a little pencil brush in neon orange. So that's fun. I like it. I'll definitely use them for sure. And the last thing in here is by Zoeva. This retails for $28. This is an eyeshadow palette. I know there were like several different options that you could have gotten as far as the palette goes. I have Blanc Fusion. I can't open it. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like. I've never tried anything by Zoeva, so I am excited to try the brand out. Oh, it slides out. Okay, so, oh my goodness. It doesn't want to come out of here. So the packaging is exactly the same as the outer cardboard. Okay. There's a little plastic thing. There's no mirror. Here are the shades. I don't know. I'm excited to try Zoeva because I've never, ooh, very creamy. I've never tried them. But these colors are not speaking to me. Yeah, they're very muted. Ooh, I like that white shade a lot though. I don't know. I'm not gonna judge it too harshly yet because I've never tried the formula, but based on the colors, I'm not super excited. Okay, quick recap. I'm on the fence about the palette just because I don't like the colors, but I'm excited to try Zoeva. The brushes I'm excited for. Like, I always like getting brushes because then I don't have to go out and buy them. And they look really nice. My hair is like curling. Great. The Iconic London drops I think I'm most excited for. These are really, really pretty. And Iconic London is a pricey brand, but I always seem to enjoy the stuff I get from them. Lashes I am okay with. Like, they're really pretty. I just don't know that I'll ever actually use them. But, you know, maybe I'll have an occasion that I need lashes for someday. And this I'm not excited about just because it's not cruelty free. If it were, oh cute, it's got like a little insert thing. If it were, I'd be excited. But I will say though, I do like that I got the hydrating one because I know there's like 3 options. And this just makes me feel like they actually listen to my like, what is it called? My profile, because I definitely have dry skin. So I'm excited for that, I guess. But yeah, that's it. I'm okay with this box. It's not my favorite, but it's okay. So yeah, that's everything I have for you guys today. Don't forget to like this video before you go. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.